DoT has finally approved 5G trials in India. The telecom operator will be given 700 MHz band to conduct the trials in the country. The government has allowed 13 companies, including Airtel, Reliance Jio, Vodafone Idea, and BSNL for the testing. However, the Department of Telecommunications said that telecom operators should take care of the security of the network while conducting trials in rural and urban areas. In addition, the ministry is likely to ask telecom operators to use the 700 MHz for trials and not for the commercial deployment. Unaware, BSNL has tied up with Center Development for Telematics, and Bharti Airtel, Vodafone Idea, and Reliance Jio had tied up with other vendors including Ericsson, Nokia in different regions across the country. Telcos will soon be given airwaves band to use it for the trial purposes with some condition attached. Apart from that, the Department of Telecommunication also asked telecom players to submit the list of all vendors they are partnering with for the trials. Notably, Reliance Jio joined hands with Samsung, Nokia and Ericsson for the trials, whereas Airtel and Vodafone Idea partner with Nokia, Ericsson and many more companies to conduct a trial in the country. Apart from that, you'll be surprised to know that Chinese vendors are not allowed for the 5G trials. The DoT has not given approval or allowed Huawei and ZTE to conduct trials in the country. This means Huawei and ZTE will not be part of 5G trials and no telecom operator is allowed to join hands with these players. Apart from that, Reliance Jio is planning to work on massive MIMO and 5G small cell equipment for the deployment. Besides, Jio wants to develop its own 5G network to push Atmanirbhar Bharat. On the other hand, Airtel has already announced that it is testing 5G network in Hyderabad. When 5G will be available in India? So this is the main question, and it is worth noting that smartphone companies have already started launching 5G smartphones under Rs 20,000 and users are using them on 4G network as the 5G network is yet to come. It seems the telecom operators might soon launch or upgrade their 4G network to offer proper 5G service in the country. But one should not forget that 700 MHz band, which is suitable for 5G services, is really expensive. So we have to wait for some time to see how things will turn out in favor of telecom operator. Apart from that, Department of Telecommunication is likely to allocate more bands for the 5G spectrum after requests from telcos. The new move is expected to help telecom operators in rolling out 5G bands with a less investment, which clearly indicates or clearly means that consumer can avail or get services at affordable prices. Besides, the Telecom Ministry is likely to introduce a new spectrum policy in this year, which will have new bands such as sub 1 GHz and 1.6 GHz and millimeter wave bands. These bands will come under updated national frequency plan of the government. Notably, Reliance Jio, Airtel and Vi have been asking for the Telecom Ministry to update NFP policy and include all new spectrum bands. That updated NFP is likely to have a list of bands that will be available in the auction along with the services that can be used in several areas. The development comes soon after CEO asked DoT to include all these bands in the upcoming auction. However, DoT is likely to ask TRAI to reduce the cost of 5G band. Similarly, the ministry is expected to ask the telecom regulator to reduce the prices of 700 MHz band, as no telecom operator is buying the same band. It is worth noting that TRAI has fixed the pricing of the 5G spectrum band. The telecom regulator has suggested 492 crore per megahertz band in the 3300 and 3600 MHz band. For the unaware, telecom operators are skeptical about buying 5G bands with such pricing. That's why DoT is urging or asking TRAI to consider the pricings again. So guys, that's all from us. Everybody keep watching Gizbot.